was a fantastic 3-day experience in outdoor education for the students. During their visit, they got opportunities to explore the Hillsborough River on boats and through shoreline sampling. We also had a chance to get up close and personal with amazing animals in the interpretive center and animal compound. The students got a chance to learn how to use a compass and orient through the woods with their teams. And we just had a wonderful time. It's so important for students to learn to be a part of nature and to really appreciate the beauty all around them.
We got to pet ferrets, hold an alligator, hold a snake, pet ferrets, and the ferrets were super cute.
I like the hiking that we did on Wednesday, and my group also got to see the barred owl in the wild.
So we're gonna count these species.
And I got to learn how to use a compass, and I really felt like I was in the nature and having to navigate through it all by myself.
Their color helps them to blend into the dirt.
Enjoys my company, so he wants to be near me.